Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Thanks for joining me this morning. It is Wednesday, August 5th. This broadcast is for demonstration, educational purposes only. It's important to know that I am not a licensed financial advisor, not offering any type of trading advice here today. Take no responsibility for any losses incurred while trading. Woo, that was a mouthful. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. Today's Forex Factory calendar. There's nothing I hate worse than an unpleasant surprise. You ever get one of them? Today's Forex Factory calendar shows us that at 9:45 we have a yellow folder, low impact. 10 a.m. ISM services. That's going to be a medium impact. 10:30, it is Wednesday. It's crude oil day, crude oil inventory day. Should be interesting to see if crude makes a nice move on the inventory report. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. I always say it, any day above ground, count it all joy. That's a blessing. Take it and run with it. We're making a joyful noise down in South Florida today. Thanks for joining us. And let's take a look at our best bots. What a day yesterday. Holy smokes. The reason I'm saying what a day yesterday, our leaderboard, there were people that Lev set the new record, just under $10,000. And there were several others not far behind him. Let's keep an eye on this ES. ES is at an all-time high, the S&P 500. But man, it's been on a rocket ship all week with our scalper. Our scalper takes those B signals, those B entries. Look at the leapfrogs in a monster. Let's make sure everything is working correctly. The leapfrog, NQ leapfrog is the account name, AINQ leapfrog. I've got two of them. Ed told me about that. Thank you, Ed. Okay, I love to see the leapfrog doing what it's doing. Let's see what's the winner of my best bot. If today's your first day joining us, we're going to be showcasing our automated bots here at Right Line Trading. These are fully automated strategies. Once they are enabled, they will execute and manage the trades for you. Good morning, Bob. There's a new dashboard update, everybody. Jump into Discord and the software updates channel. Re-download the same link. It's going to be in the same link. Re-download it. I believe you'll have to re-download two files. Okay, you'll have to re-download the AI Auto Trader PZip and import that. Number two, don't import, download and save the dashboard zip. Don't import it, extract it and install it. Look at this trade to the upside at the market open. Wow, that was a monster. Let me see my live P&L. Wow, didn't put it to the top. Oh, there we go. So my retirement plan is numero uno with a 100% win rate. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart and see what our overall trend looks like from the overnight session. Let's go back to 1800 hours. Very choppy during the Asian session. It took a leg up. Wow, we're back almost up to 30,000 again on the NQ. Coming back to all-time high pricing. Today could be the day that they announce another deal, another deal with the Iranians. Watch this breakout trade through resistance. I like to wait for the market to settle down. But here comes our breakout trade. Through resistance. Very tempting to take this trade. Let's look for the break of resistance. Let me change my leader account. Let's go to the leapfrog. Lock her up. Okay. So our best bot is trading the leapfrog. And our ES is trading the data dog. I think I'm going to move this to 5 trades. I usually like to put it on 5 trades for the E-mini. Still taking the data dog. Okay. Now we're getting a retracement. Let's just see how big of a retracement we get. We're not going to jump into anything. We're almost at all-time high pricing on the Nasdaq, and the ES we are. Let's flip over to the ES. Market structure-wise, we're looking for longs on the Nasdaq. Why? Because on my 5-minute, my 50 is above, price is above my 50. Here we go. We're going to retest resistance. Let's take a quick look at the E-mini. Same story. I'm looking for a breakout through resistance. On the leapfrog. I want it to break resistance. I don't want to trade right into resistance. I want the break. You can see the E-mini is set up just like the Nasdaq. I'm going to give it a go on the leapfrog long on the break of resistance. We get the break, I'm in long. There's some good buying pressure here at the open. Let's get the pop. Not ready for a short trade. The golden goose is loose. We're going to take a look at gold. My goodness. We know we're set up for longs. I'm going to try it again. On our community leaderboard, gold is lit up. Gold number 1, 2, 3. Here comes a long. Let's see if we can get in this long. On our leapfrog entry, signal B entry long. We got some high volume blue candles. Can't seem to break through there. We're right at 30,000. Man, we came back from the depths. From last week to this week. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, RJ, out in Chicago. Michael, we got the renewal. We took care of that issue, so it's all straight now. After update, try pausing the services, then resume. Well, Sergio told me about a brand new update this morning. I'm not sure when you did it, Michael. How to get the best spots default to switch from minis to micros. Let me go over that in just a few minutes. I'm looking at this move down now. So the gold, let's take a look at gold. This is my Heikin-Ashi trend tracker. Gold is at 42. Look at that move up. That's why everybody's lit up on gold. Look at this move up. Look at those Heikin-Ashi signals to buy. Absolutely beautiful. Leapfrog jump back in long on a signal C. Retirement plan is number 1 on my computer. Let's go to the retirement plan. This thing's going to pop right back up. Let's get a leapfrog long. Come on, get me in. Missed it. Too late. Let me check my lag. I should have been in that move. My lag looks good, actually. Retirement plan. You know what? That's going to be my best spot. Yep. Let's unlock this. And let's go to let's try the retirement plan. Why not? I'm going to play our leaderboard. Well, you know what? Yeah, let's go with the retirement plan. Oh, we're in. We are in trouble. There we go. All the risk is off. Get up there. Nice trade. Bam. We nailed it. Don't come back now. Oh, what a beauty. Man, we caught that retirement plan for a $300 winner. Wow. You know, with this whipsaw, where to go is the E-mini on that ES scalper. Let's get the ES scalper, get ready to go. Now, I talked to quite a few members yesterday that didn't get into many trades on the ES, some none at all. And I think the reason why, if you're wondering why you didn't get into any ES trades yesterday, I believe it was the MA diff. Yesterday, the conditions were an outlier, right? We were way overextended. The market shot up like a rocket ship, went to all-time highs. When we're a certain distance away from the 50, that MA diff comes into play. Here comes another retirement plan long. What I'm talking about is if I go to the strategies on the ES, now you wouldn't want to use your best bot, but any of your ES strategies, there's a parameter. I'm going to check one off real quick just to show you. There's a parameter called the MA diff. If it's on 50, if the distance between your 50 and 15 is more than 50 ticks, it's not going to take a trade. That's to prevent you from getting into an overextended market, an overbought or oversold market. So on a day like yesterday, in order to kick in the trades, you would have to increase this number. You would have to allow your MA diff to be larger than it was. I always like to move my profit target right below resistance. I always want to give price a clear shot at my profit goal. I look to make $250 to $500 a day. Once I reach my profit goal, I stop trading. Now, one of these accounts is a $100,000 account. It's number 125. So on this one, I think what I'll do is I'm going to take another trade on that one account because I need a higher profit target. So I think I'm going to take another trade on 125. I always hate to turn a winning day into a losing day. This is going to break through resistance. This is going to break through resistance. There it goes. I know if I get the retracement to jump on that retirement plan. There goes the power play. Long. Yep. Hey, good morning, Carol. Thanks for joining us. Yeah, the AI Auto Trader Zip was changed. It has the new update for the new dashboard. If on your member leaderboard you're getting a connection issue and you haven't done the update within the last few hours, look at Sven's Gold Bot. Sven took 6 trades. He's up 7,700. This leapfrog is going to go. This power play is going to break resistance. There we go. This thing is off to the races. Now I just want to trade the one $500,000 the one larger account. Let's give it a shot on the power play. Wait, you know what? That's the retirement plan. That's the retracement we're looking for. Now my RSI line is pinned down to the red. This is where this retirement plan has been scoring on these reversals back up into the direction of the trend. Let's get it on the retirement plan. Missed it. Yeah, yesterday it wasn't available, Michael. Do it again today. Import the AI Auto Trader PZip. And then reinstall the dashboard. And it should go back to working properly. I'm looking for a retirement plan long. 10 o'clock, we've got an orange folder report. Orange folder report at 10. Just missed that signal A entry. Just missed it. 10:30, we've got crude inventory. There it goes. There it goes. Looking for a break of resistance here. Let's see what kind of retracement we get. Wow, look at that mean reversion. Took 16 trades. Watch the break of resistance. We're looking for a long entry. Yeah, RJ, I would do the update. Yes. If your member services light is saying that there's some type of issue, what it was, let me explain what happened. I apologize. I got into this trading and I didn't even think to give you an update of what's going on. What's going on with the dashboard was, I'll tell you exactly what the issue was. We had an overwhelming response. A lot of community members jumped in. It overwhelmed our server. One way that we were collecting the data mistakenly was we were capturing unrealized gains. Before a trade was closed, everybody in the community who had unrealized profits, that data was running through the server. Was a big reason why it was overwhelmed. Whoa, there goes the ES scalper short. Something just happened. You know what? Here comes our retirement plan. Watch this. Oh, I missed it. Maybe not. Maybe I'll get it short. So Sergio made a few changes to make it more efficient and to filter out unnecessary data that was running through there. We also increased the size of our server. So we made some really nice enhancements and upgrades to accommodate um, the entire community. So if you haven't done the update in the last few hours and you're getting any type of red light here on your member services, I highly recommend updating it. Okay, we're in. We're actually in the retirement plan. Come on, take all the risk off. And take some of this risk off myself. Ouch. Let's pivot to the power play. We're moving into a lot of support. So the way to do the update is going to be to download the AI Auto Trader PZip, re-download it. Let's go back. Re-download the AI Auto Trader PZip and import it into Ninja. Then you'll have to restart your Ninja and then reinstall the dashboard. And when you restart your Ninja and relaunch your dashboard, your member services light should be green and active. That'll put you on the brand new server, which is a beast. That's the one you want to be on. Looking for a long on. Nope, missed it. Oh, I missed the power play again. Darn. So somebody had asked me how to put their best bot on the micros. The way to put your best bot on the micros is you would go to your best bots tab, and on your best bot tab, the winner on my computer is the retirement plan. Now, if I want to change this to the micros, what I would do is click on modify. If I click modify, there's two sections that I can change. This is very important. This is a very common mistake. There's two sections I can change. I can change the account and instrument up top. And in order to push the account and instrument into my NinjaTrader, I would use this green button. However, by clicking this green button, it's not going to change my trade management. Anything under here, if I want to make an adjustment to those parameters, after I've made the adjustments, I would have to click this purple button to load the risk. That mean reversion is crushing it. Wow. So let's just say I want to trade the micro. I would put the instrument in here and select the micro. And I want to trade, instead of 3 contracts, I want to trade 5. So to change the instrument, I'm going to apply one flat here. And to change the number of contracts, I'm going to click this purple button for the trade management. Mean reversion is back in. Let's see where that, and that will allow you to trade your best bots on the micros. Okay. So you can change it right in here by modifying the best bot, the purple button. My mean reversion still hasn't caught up to my retirement plan. Gold is making another move up. Oh, now the mean reversion is my best bot. Okay. That's good. That's all I needed to see. We're going to make data-driven decisions. We're going to pivot. Now, we could do the best bot. Let's see if we catch a mean reversion short. We're trading into support. If it continues short, so I've got my mean reversion enabled. I'm going to trade it on the mini. I have a $100,000 eval. There goes my power play. I kind of want it to get overextended now to the upside because that mean reversion would catch the reversal right back down into support. Now, if it breaks, there's a breakout through resistance, the power play will get back in. Okay, we're in long. Need some follow through now to the upside. Push up. In trouble. In the mean reversion. Oh, holy smokes. That crashed my Ninja. Nope. Wow. Did you see that reversal, man? That was incredible. Let's try a power play short. No, RJ. No, RJ. It's not. That's not the link in Discord, RJ. Man. Come on, take a ride up. I'm in trouble on this trade. I'm going to go to the leapfrog. Let me get this off. The ES Rev Rec is in short. Yeah, there was a lot of volatility, Gerald. So the mean reversion is the top bot on my computer, the community leaderboard, the gold Heikinashi is up over $7,500 on Sven. The mean reversion is in one. What do I have enabled? The leapfrog. There it goes. Come on, get off the risk. Get the risk off. Don't stop now. I'm right into the VWAP. Now it's going to roll on me. Ah, man. Come on up. All right, now the risk is off. I don't know, Dan. I think I might have clicked on somebody else's mean reversion that was on the top of the leaderboard. I was trying to demonstrate how it works, and I may have changed it. I don't know what entries my leapfrog is taking is the problem. A and C, that's what it is. Okay, no wonder. My power play is taking the B and C. That's what I want. Wow, look at that. Oh, okay, here's gold on the Heikinashi. Oh, wow, what a trade. Look at this. This is our signal. This is our signal on the Heikinashi. Oh, man, I'm in trouble again. On the power play. AIGC. What is that? The golden goose or the retirement plan? Let's take a long trade on gold. Well, we just got into another trade here on the power play. Let's see if we can get some follow through to the upside. My stop isn't coming up. A little bit higher. Get me into the leapfrog. Let's try to take a long on gold. The account is the Golden Goose, AIGC Golden Goose. It's giving us the Heikin-Ashi signal. Let's take it long. Let's see if we can get a Heikin-Ashi to score for us on gold. Come on up. Nice. Come on. Keep pushing up. Beautiful. Monster trade on gold. Come on, push up. I'll take that. Got a $700 trade on gold just now on the Heikin-Ashi signal. Beautiful Heikin-Ashi trade on gold. That got me right back to break even. I saw Sven's bot was crushing it on gold. Now I can grab his. I'm going to grab his parameters. I'm going to view his settings, and I'm going to add this strategy. My power play strategy was not added. Must be flat. He might be in a trade right now. Still in that gold trade, too. I closed it like a dummy. Look at that. That thing is headed to the moon. Look at that trade. That Heikin-Ashi signal to buy gold. Man almighty. I let my emotions get the best of me. That was a beauty. There goes the mean reversion trade, the signal A. Let's see if that's a signal A entry. Yeah, that's a signal A entry, Dan. So chances are that is the strategy that I was using the other day. Look at that gold Heikin-Ashi trade. My God, am I kicking myself? Boy, was that silly. Sven, you got a chance at the record, man. With this gold, you got the chance at the record. I closed out another monster trade too early. My goodness, why didn't I just play the stop? Emotions. Sven. You are going to break the record today, brother. With the way gold's moving, I believe you got this. Man, I'm tempted to jump back in. Oh, here comes another mean reversion. Long. There we go. Let's put price. Let's put our target right here. Don't come back. Like a dummy, I'm back to trading the Nasdaq. Ah. Oh, come back up. Go up. No, no. I'm in trouble here. Let's see if this Heikinashi does it again. What a beautiful trade on gold. Man, was that a beautiful signal. A break right through resistance. In the webinar we did yesterday, we were discussing this exact entry. When we get these Heikinashi high volume blue candles through the area of resistance, I mean, it is such a powerful signal. The success rate is tremendous. I'm tempted to give it another buy. I think gold's going to keep going. Let's try it again. Or do we get the retracement now? We were nice and tight to the 50 here. We went into chop on the Nasdaq. We got crude inventory in 15 minutes. Looking for a break of resistance on the Nasdaq. I think I'm going to close the gold trade. I don't have my signal. I need a high volume candle to the upside. I don't have it. Yeah. Oh, wow. I'm in trouble on the trade. Shoot. Nasdaq got very choppy. The ES is just sitting there doing nothing. Come on back, gold. Bounce off that 15 and go. Come on up. There you go. Take another bounce. Let's go. Come on, gold. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh, nice. Come on up, gold. Come on up, baby. Got the Heikenhashi signal. Nice. Here we go. Here we go on gold. Gold is saving me today on this $100,000 account. I'm one trade away. There goes that mean reversion again. The short moves with the mean reversion are working well right now. Wow. Wow. What a trade on the mean reversion. Let's try to get the roll short. We need a retracement a little further. Come on up. Oh, that's the power play. We'll keep an eye on gold. Yeah, the mean reversion is on fire. Let's see if we get the short on the mean reversion trade. The bounce off the VWAP. Short roll. Here we go. One more short roll. Come on down. Didn't take it. There we go. Just took it short. Come on down. Come on, get the risk off. Push down. Push through support. Push through support. Come on down. Come on down. Here we go. Now the risk is off. Let's see if we can get in the leapfrog. There we go. Come on down. Little further. There you go. There you go. Nice. That put us in the green. Now listen, in the description of today's live stream are my rules and regulations of my giveaway. I like to give away free prop accounts. In order to qualify for the free prop account, you've got to comment. You've got to write a comment in my chat box. You've got to write a comment, and there's going to be a link in the description. In that link, you'll have to fill in your name and your email address. It's going to enter you into the giveaway, and we're going to draw a name. We're going to draw a name at 10:45 in about 20 minutes. That'll give you plenty of time. In the description of today's live stream is the giveaway link. Mean reversion went long. Bam, scored. I want to catch it short though. Let's turn this off. Oh wow, look at that. That would have put me on the sidelines. That was the trade I was waiting on. I missed it. So my mean reversion's up over $4,000 now. I'm trying to be selective and it cost me. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get this short roll. Mean reversion's up $4,000, $3,800 after commissions. I'm watching gold out of the corner of my eye on the Heiken Ashi. Looks like it's ready to launch again. ES early bird is in. Here we go. Let's see if we get a retracement. Here comes the mean reversion. Come crashing down. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Ah, come on. Nice. Okay, that's where I wanted to be. That's where I wanted to be. We had to fight like heck to get there, but we got there. We finally found our way. Oh. I was like, what happened to my profits? Wrong accounts. Okay. There's that beautiful green leaderboard copier. Look at this gold. Gold wants to run. Here comes another mean reversion short. When the bot starts finding the ebb and flow of the market, it'll start running up the score, go right to the top of your leaderboard. Looking for a blue Heikin-Ashi candle here. Let me make sure my copiers are off. If you use a trade copier, you get to your profit goal, turn it off. Okay, let me good morning, Judy. Please look in my description. You qualify. All you have to do is leave a little note. Say hello. Let us know you're alive. Here comes gold through resistance. Let me put it on my Rory Powers account. Rory Powers gold. I'm looking for the break on a high volume candle. That Heikin-Ashi, man, it crushed it for me today. Nothing like Sven. Sven is up at 8,500. Listen, this is just today's session. This is the community leaderboard. The NQ mean reversion. Listen, this is confirmation. When you see everybody scoring on it, there's a high likelihood that you'll do the same. It's not guaranteed. Nothing in life is. We're going to draw a winner of a prop account. I'm going to flip a coin, whether it's a Lucid or an Apex. I think we'll do Apex today. Hey, there you are, Al Burb. Good to see you, Al. Death and taxes are guaranteed. You're right. No way around it. I'm going to log in because I'm very close to some payouts, and I wanted to go over the rules for payouts, right? What do we got to do to get paid? I was talking to someone on the phone, one of our members. He said, Rory, you got to talk about how we get to the payout. NVIDIA is on fire today. Yesterday, Palantir. Today, NVIDIA. So today, what I'm going to do is just spend a brief few moments and go over what it takes to get to a payout. Wow, look at that. Power play trade. Power play caught that short. Got to be in a monster. Okay, let me take a screenshot of this. In my descriptions is a giveaway link. Fill in your name and email address to be eligible for a free prop account. We're going to be giving it away here in about 14 minutes. Looking for my snippet. Really excited about that Heikin-Ashi. Man. What beautiful, beautiful entries. Okay, let's go through it. It's there's a section in, what did I do with it? Here it is. There's a section Let's put it right here. Here we go. For a $50,000 account, a $50,000 Apex account, they have in your members portal. Let me see if I can put it over here to not cover the charts. Number one, your account has to be active, right? Your account has to be active. You have to have a minimum of 5 trading days, okay? You can't have just one good trading day and withdraw your money, unfortunately. You have to string together 5 trading days, and those 5 trading days, you have to have at least $200 of profit in 5 days. In 5 trading days, you must have $200 in profit. Now, this is for a $50,000 account. We can go over some different size accounts on another session, but we're talking specifically once you've passed your evaluation. Okay, we have a couple of templates that will get you past the evaluation in pretty short order. Probably about a 33% success rate. 1 out of 3, I think, is a fair number. Once you get the PA account, this is what you have to do in order to request a payout. Okay? So you have to have 5 trading days. Of those 5 days, at least 5 of them have to be $200 or more in profit. A 50% consistency rule. Listen, this is very nice. 50% consistency rule. Now, what we need to do, we need to get $2,600 in profit. Okay, let's break it down. $2,600 in profit. A 50% consistency rule means our largest trading session, most profitable trading session, can't be more. If our profit is 2,600, then we would cut that in half. Our largest winning day could not be more than 1,300. Okay, which is very easy to conform to. 50% is really a blessing. Let me tell you. It used to be 30. I've seen some companies have 20. So 50 is very lenient. It's not bad. So a 50% consistency rule. 50% consistency rule. The minimum payout balance is at 52,600. Okay? We have to get 3,000 to pass the evaluation. However, in order to request a payout on a $50,000 account, you have to have $2,600 minimum in profits. Okay? Right now, I'm at 51,719 across several of these accounts. You have to have valid payout information. Very important. If you win, you need a place to accept the money, right? Get that all squared away. They're famous for putting time limits on you, and they'll throw you a curveball, and then all of a sudden you can't get your payout information in, and then you don't qualify. So get it out of the way. Why not? Valid payout information, and you can have no pending payout requests. No requests that are pending. Listen, there's another mean reversion trade that we're looking at. My profit target's in the absolute ideal place, right above support. So this is our guideline, our checklist to pay out. I need about $800 or $900 more dollars, and I'm going to get a nice fat check. And let me tell you, it won't be the first. These are very doable. Wow, that would have been another beautiful mean reversion. Sven is still at 8,500. Gold is waffling. Gold is retracing, I should say. We missed crude inventory. I'm really sorry. I got carried away with the payout. So I think now we've established a trading plan. We have a clear path, understanding of what it takes to request a payout with an Apex 50,000 account. We're in the ES scalper. Man, I love that entry. You know, I love that strategy. When I see those crosses come in on my chart template, and I look to see if the market's trending, and if it is, I'm all over that scalper. There's a mean reversion, long. A good question. Thank you, Al. Well, Al, in order to take part, let me back up. I'm sorry. You know what? I think I'm going to grab the link and put it in the chat because it's in the description of this live stream. But I want to make it easy for everybody to enter. YouTube has rules that we have to abide by. And thank you, Mike, for bringing that to my attention. We have to have clear and specific rules. And you'll find those in the description of this live stream. Let me go back to Mark's and see if I can grab it. Minimum for payout for each account, not total accounts, no. Each account, Mike. Okay, I'm putting the link for our giveaway today. The only thing I ask is if you do win, I'm going to send you a coupon code that's going to give you a free Apex account. It's good for any size evaluation account. You want the Big Daddy for 300,000? You could get it. You want the small one for 25 grand? It'll be free. Take a free shot. The only thing I ask is please do not share this. I've got very specific instructions. Do not share this in a public forum. They don't want 20 people all at once or 50 or 100 people all at once getting a free account. You can give it to your friend or relative. I don't mind that. Just don't put it in a public forum. Gerald won one day, and he said, "Hey, can I give it away?" I said, "Of course." There goes the ES scalper. It will. I'm glad you brought that up too, because we have it programmed to where it will automatically. It won't allow you to duplicate. It won't accept more than one entry per day. So if you put your name and email address in there 10 times, it's only going to accept it once. You'll have an equal chance to win as everybody else. Please, if you have a problem of any kind with our contest, please come to us and we'll fix it. Okay? If we get reported and somebody doesn't like one of the rules, there's a chance they'll stop it. This mean reversion is just on fire today. This is what the giveaway form is. It should bring you to this website here. You'll put in your first name, your email address. There's one entry per person. If you get caught with more than one entry, you could get disqualified. I don't see that strategy, Mike. Sven was doing great with gold, but gold fizzled out on us. Look at our 5-minute. We're getting on the E-mini high volume candles. Let's take a look at our Heikin-Ashi. I'm late to the party. I'm here talking too much. Let's look at the E-mini short. Oh, we're headed right into support. Let's go to our Heikin-Ashi. Ooh. This is a 5-minute Heikin-Ashi candle. I'm late to the party. Oh, the goose is loose. I missed it. Gold took another run. Oh, let's go to the gold. The break of resistance. Let's put in our ATM. Mean reversion long. Let's take another entry on the Heikin-Ashi on the gold. It's been trending nicely to the long side. All right, let's pick the winner. Let's pick the winner. Let's pick a winner. Let's pick a winner. Here we go. Giveaway winner. Okay. You ready? Let's draw a winner. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, I don't want to put your name on there. Judy, you won. Judy won. Wow. Tess won 2 in a row. Now Judy won 2 in a row. Congratulations. I didn't mean to flash your name up on the screen or your email address. My apologies, but you did win. Congratulations. You must be living right, Judy. You're in good standing with the man upstairs. What can I say? You're blessed. Congratulations. It's the way we draw the winners is so you know. Let me see if I can remove her name. I did. In our website, by clicking this draw a winner, it selects one of the 16 people that entered into it. And her name was randomly picked. So congratulations, Judy. Thank you for participating. Look at gold again. Can you believe this gold bot? This gold, Heikinashi today? It's on fire. Yeah, let's give it some room. Let's see if it runs. I'll pin my stop. I'll attach it to my modified fast. And let's see how far it goes. Last trade of the day. Whoa, there's a short on the mean reversion. Caught it with a lot of momentum. Amen. That's right. Must be, Judy. Keep doing what you're doing, girl. You're doing it right. Today's winner on the leaderboard, community leaderboard, so far is Sven. He's going to be a tough one to catch at $8,500. On my computer, the winner was the mean reversion. We watched it score all day long. It had a 65% win rate. Since I started running it this week, it's up over 4,000 with a 65% win rate. It really gets into the moves nice and early on that signal A. It's a bare bones signal A, no filter. It can come crashing through the 50. We don't prevent that. The Apex accounts, we're on a nice winning streak. I hate to jinx myself. Gerald got a green. 6 accounts in the red. That's okay. That's okay. You've been winning really nicely. If that's all you take a drawdown on your losing days, and the rest of the days you're winning like you have been, you're going to have a beautiful equity curve. You're going to get a lot of payouts. We went over today how to get paid out on an Apex $50,000 account. Anybody have any account sizes or companies that they want to go over maybe next session? We want to provide a pathway to a payout. We want to have a clear understanding of what it takes, how to get there. And what is the best bot to get us there, right? Okay, the gold trade is out. The ES trade is still in short, I see. Let's go back to the ES. Oh, it just hit a full winner. Just hit a full winner. We took it on the Heikin-Ashi signal on the short through resistance. Excuse me, through support. And it just popped right through. The ES scalper's right back in. Just to recap before we go for the day, I just want to remind everybody, if you haven't updated your dashboard, do yourself a favor. Get in on this. It's a gold mine. It is an absolute gold mine. I'm seeing community-wide that there's a consensus. The mean reversion, when you see mean reversion lit up that way, your question regarding which bot should I trade is answered quickly. Thank you, Sven. Sven is at the top. You gave me the encouragement, the confidence to trade gold today, and I thank you for that. I would have never done it without you at the top. You know, that's really what it is in trading. We were talking about it yesterday, is confidence. You know, if we have the confidence and if we can let those emotions, that fear, we're able to push it aside and we put ourselves out there on the battlefield, good things happen most of the time. Good things happen if we have the confidence to allow it to happen. And I think that that's one of the main features of this leaderboard is it gives us confidence. Say, hey, all of these people are making money on this mean reversion today. Why can't I? Right? And you go ahead and you put it on and bam, you're in the promised land. You're in the winner's circle. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. We'll be back, God willing. We'll be back tomorrow. It's Miller time. I'm enjoying my time in the winner's circle. Woohoo! Yeehaw. I'm happy. 250 to 500 a day. Rinse and repeat. That's Sven, the gold, that Heikin-Ashi gold is a beast. You proved it to me, Sven. I made it in those two trades. I was up well over $1,000. That's a good one, Mike. I like that. The reason why, and listen, I'm very grateful. You know, if Mark Miller wants 20 entries, give it to him. Let me tell you why. I'm glad you brought that up. One of the main benefits of this leaderboard is having a diversity of different parameters in the strategies to learn which ones are working. What Mark is doing, so you know, and he's a very valuable member of this community. Not only does he own the company, but because he has 3 or 4 different instances and servers that are running different parameters, it gives us the ability to copy his parameters on a wide diversity of strategy parameters. On one instance, he'll have different conditions for the entries or different triggers. And the one that's doing the best is going to go to the top of the leaderboard. So variety being the spice of life, it's really the spice that helps us find what's working in today's trading environment. Look at this mean reversion. I'm coming after you, Sven. On my mean reversion, I'm working my way up. Well, Mark Miller's at 4,600. But that's why, Mike, that's why he's on in several computers. If you purchase additional licenses, you could do it too, Mike, if you want. We really encourage everybody to try to be creative and try different conditions for your entries. He's allowed to cheat. He owns the company. All right. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. God willing, we'll be back. A great day trading. The golden goose is back in. Man, this gold is just on fire today. Let's see the entry. Here's the gold entry. Another long on gold. Gold's been moving really nicely. You know, right before when the war broke out, I got into gold. It was almost at an all-time high, and man, it came crashing down. It had the exact opposite effect of what I thought would happen. I was speaking to Eric E, and he said, "Hey, get into gold." It was almost at the all-time high, but now it's bouncing, so I'm very pleased. Yeah, Rosa, let me ask you, in your error message that you're receiving, do you see an email address at the end of it with no punctuation and no @ symbol? I did get a number of requests for licensing. I'll take care of it as soon as I'm done. But see in your error message, I'm going to put my stop. Now that I'm up 700 on the trade, I'm going to right-click my stop marker and attach it to my modified fast. I don't want to give away that much in profits now. So I squeeze it a little tighter. I'll pin it to I'll pin my stop to my 15 EMA. Man, gold has been just a moneymaker today. There goes our high volume Heikinashi right through resistance. Mean reversion in short on the Nasdaq. We got the 1-2 punch today, the mean reversion and the gold Heikinashi. I will. I'll fix your licensing as soon as I'm done. I hope gold goes right back up to 5,000. Wouldn't that be nice? Look at this beautiful trade. Wow. Another monster on gold. What a session trading gold. I'd like to squeeze it a little tighter now. Look at this monster on gold. It's leapfrogging. Now it got into my leapfrog. Here's a $2,000 gold trade, trading one contract. Because it was a strategy entry, it's on the leapfrog. I forgot. Here it goes. To the moon, gold, to the moon. I am. We're riding it out, Sven. We're riding this, baby. Get on. Let's go. Let's ride. Man, I am so happy to see gold going up. I was in a painful position. It's come all the way back. It's coming back. Oh, well, that's a good place to end it. Have a blessed rest of your day, everybody. Thank you for joining me. We'll be back tomorrow. So long, everybody. This is how the leaderboard ended today. We go, oh, Sven. Yes, Sven. I want to see your name up here tomorrow. Lev Trading. Sven is after you, sir. Lev Trading had 10 grand on the Mack truck yesterday. Sven's at 9,200 on his heels. He just caught that move up on a 50% win rate. He's at 9,200. Great trading, Sven. Congratulations. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget, like my video on the way out.